In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play No Man's Sky with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In order for you to do multiplayer in No Man's Sky, you will have to exchange friend codes, and you will be able to do cross-play as well, so between different platforms. So when you open No Man's Sky and you launch it on any platform, you will be able to choose between solo or multiplayer. Now, what I recommend is that instead of going into multiplayer right away, you go ahead and you make a solo world. In order for you to play multiplayer with your friends, you will be allowing them to join into your multiplayer session, which is hosted based on any worlds that you have. So if you have never created a solo world, go ahead and start a new save. Once this is done, if you go in-game and you access the options, you will be able to choose network options and make sure that multiplayer is enabled. There are also a bunch of other options that you can change, such as voice text chat, allow PvP, but the most important thing is that multiplayer is enabled. You can also limit your group to only friends, that way no randoms will join. Once you configure both of these on a specific save, then you can go back to the home screen and now choose multiplayer. Now you will be able to browse between all of the available sessions. If you tap the option to show my No Man's Sky friend code, you will be able to get the friend code that you need to share. For you to find your friends' sessions in here, they need to add you through your friend code, and you also need to do the same. So tell them to share their friend codes with you, and you will be able to tap the option to add No Man's Sky friend and input the friend code that you were given. They will do the same, and as long as both of you exchange friend codes, the session is going to appear here once you go into multiplayer and you choose the option to host a session. I hope I was able to help you on how to play No Man's Sky with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.